Good evening. This is Solomon Amos. I'm doing my um, video check-in for the last week of the class, and in response to what my instructor had mentioned about using Xcode is not a good way to do websites. So I thought about that, and I took that information in. So I went back to learning more about Bootstrap, and what I did. I actually have learned a good bit about Bootstrap. I went ahead and did a web app website, putting one together using Bootstrap functionality, creating various functions for the website, trying it out. Biggest problem I ran into was getting my API to load using the search. I couldn't figure it out. I'm actually still trying to figure it out, and I asked a couple of developers that I know and talked to them about it, and they were kind of tied up at the moment, so they really couldn't help me. But this was my code put together for the website, and it's called Cuisine. Is the name of the HTML. So I will go over and take you to the website now. And it's right here. Welcome to Cuisine. Cuisine Made Easy is the name of the website. And as you can see, I do have a carousel running right now for my site. Just kind of scrolls through with different recipes and descriptions, kind of the taste and what other people thought about it. My home button is lit up. Basically, it just shows that this is the main page. My tabs up here aren't active because it was just a kind of put together for the web app. Same thing like the hatchback. I did start doing a little bit like the class schedule, just messing around with a couple of different ideas. But I couldn't get. This was the main thing. It just would not. I couldn't get it to load with the HTML. No matter what I did, it wouldn't load. So I kind of did some research on JSON, and I'm still doing some right now, trying to figure that out. But down, if you scroll a little lower down here, what I did, I added Moodle, some of the Moodle pop-ups to my site here. So if you click on the Show More, then it kind of brings it down, shows you exactly what it is, and kind of just a little bit of description. Also includes an X button to close out of it and a close button. This one as well. This one as well that has mouse acting funny, but this one as well. Spicy backyard barbecue chicken fajita. What I wanted to have happen was, as you see here, was that when you did a search for whatever recipe that you were looking for, if it was specific, then the idea was to have a Moodle kind of come down and it would give you the picture of the recipe and whatever you typed in, and then it'll give you the ingredients. But after really thinking about it, it was like, oh, well, I can't do that because there's so many different items and so many different recipe types. So in order to do that, I would have probably just blew up the website there. It is fully functional, so you can shrink it down to basically like your phone style here, and you'll notice that the carousel is still running. Same thing with the Moodle right there. It does still show. So that was nice, actually learning how to do that. So that worked out good. And then also added a little feature with the nav bar to where instead of what it would do, it would collapse the list here as well, using just with the button up here. So that worked out pretty good. I'm still trying to figure out why it's not searching through the recipes. So, okay, this is Solomon Amos signing off for his project for the final week. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye.